welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this purse. You can actually make it as a souvenir or whatever you want to use it for. So here is it. I already cut my fabric. So this fabric is cut into two because I was short on pieces, but if you have like a full material you can just cut it all at once. So by the width we have 11, and by this other side we have 12. So you can go ahead to cut it just like a hole instead of the split. So I went ahead to also cut my zip. Make sure the zip is slightly longer so you can easily fix your zip head and a handle or a strap. I'll be needing a zip head as well. So this is the other one. This is a mix, a denim and a black. So you can see that it's because I had a pieces. So after this, I just go straight to my machine. In less than 20 minutes, you should be done with this purse. So first thing you want to do is you get your zip cloth and you place the right side of your zip cloth on the right side of your material, and you go straight to sew it like I'm doing right now. Alright, so by the time you're done with that, you also do the same thing to the other side of the fabric. Make sure the zip cloth, the front of the zip cloth is facing the front side of your fabric, right? And you're going to sew just like I'm doing. Alright, so as soon as I'm done with this, because I have a split, I'm going to make sure I join the opening here. If the whole material was cut, there will be no need to couple these parts that I'm doing right now. But because it is a join material, like I split the material into two, so we have to do this. So I just went on to make sure I close this other end. So in essence, we have all open sides closed, right? So as soon as I'm done with this, the next thing I will do is trim my thread. Yeah, if you've been going through some of my videos, I make sure to trim my thread immediately I'm done. So it saves me a whole lot of time and stress. So I now go on to lay the material flat, just like I'm doing in this video. So when I've done this, I will take it to the machine to secure one side. Yeah, I'll just secure one side. So I'm done securing this one. I trim it and draw my nail. So the next thing I want to do is want to secure the other side. But mind you, you have to fix your zip head on the other side and your handle. Here where you're going to have to hold the purse. So I'm actually doing this just to lay it flat to enable me fix the zip head seamlessly. So by the time I'm done with this, I get my zip head and I fix it. I just split my zip open, yeah, and reduce one of the sides. And if you don't know how to fix a zip head, you can let me know. I can do a video separately for that. So I just going to fix my zip head, and I zip it all the way through down. So when I zip it, it's closed. It's closed. So I want to now make sure it's open so that I will be able to turn my material, or my purse rather, inside out. So this is what I did here. This is what I was trying to explain. By the time I zip it like this, is closed. So I would make sure I open it slightly, then I go on to fix my handle. This is my handle. Just watch how I'm fixing the handle inside. I'm putting it inside. You can make your handle as long as you want. It's your choice. So as soon as you've secured this down, you go to your sewing machine and you secure the other side of the purse like It's really simple. It's one of the simplest purse or bag making project you can use as a souvenir. So as soon as I'm done, I burn, because the strap can free out, so I burn it and I turn it inside out. As soon as you turn inside out, we are good to go. Your purse is ready. So let me know in the comment section if this was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section as well. Just for emphasis, the measurement is 11 inch by 12 inch. Yeah, your zip has to be slightly longer and your strap can be as long as you want it to be. You can also put a longer hand, like if you want to wear this like a crossbody, you can do that. It's very much possible, but I just wanted mine as a pose. It's a souvenir for my wedding I was doing, so this is what I did, and tada, very simple. You can see we're good to go.